Um, this is for those children who've got some problems in understanding the percentage word problems. Okay, so this is for you, Lokesh, who's having some doubts in exercise 7.3, particularly in the last three questions, question number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, of our maths book. So let us see what question 3 has for us. Radhika liked a dress marked rupees 1200. So the dress which Radhika wanted to buy, or she rather liked, was uh, having a price tag of rupees 1200. Okay, but the shopkeeper had put a sticker written 25% discount, which means less. But on that particular dress, which was supposed to be of 1200 rupees worth, in that particular dress, there was a sticker also along with the price tag which said 25% off. That is 25% discount. That is less money of 25% will be there on that particular dress. So the question is, how much money then will Radhika pay? Because she will not pay 1200, she will have to pay something less. So how much less is being cut off from this money, uh, which if we take it away from this, then we will come to know what is the actual price that Radhika will have to pay after the discount of 25%. So for this sum, let us come to the solution straight away. So we are in exercise 7.3. This says, so solution number 3, we have to solve in 2 steps. The first step is price of dress, as we know, is rupees 1200, and the discount percent on it is 25%. That is 25% of 1200 rupees. So 25% means 25 out of 100 of rupees 1200 means multiplication rupees 1200. Now it is turn for us to cut off the extra zeros, 1 0 and 1 0. Denominator numerator cuts off, and we can also cancel another 0 with of the denominator with 1 0 in the numerator. So now what is left with us? 25 multiplication rupees 12, because zeros are gone, and in the denominator also zeros are gone. So we can just say this is denominator will be 1. So when denominator is 1, we can just ignore it and we need not write it. Now what we have to do is 25 into 12 rupees. 25 into 12 will give us 300. So what we come to understand is rupees 300. 25% of 1200 means rupees 300. So this is the money that will be the discount. Okay, so less, whatever the less charge is rupees 300. So from 1200 rupees, the amount that will be deducted because of discount is rupees 300. So discount amount is rupees 300 here. Okay, now if let us recall, so we come to the second step. Now we have to find the price after the discount. Okay, price of the dress is rupees 1200, discount on the dress is rupees 300. Now the price after discount, इसको हटाने के बाद कितना मिलेगा? So 1200 minus 300, so we are getting 900 rupees, which will have to be paid for that particular dress that Radhika is now wanting to buy. Therefore answer is Radhika now had to pay rupees 900. Okay, instead of 1200, she has to now pay 900 because the dress had 25% off tag on it. And 25% of 1200 was 300 as per the calculation that we have done here. So we take away 300 from 1200 and we get rupees 900, which she has to pay for the dress. Okay, now we come to the next sum, which says Amai reads 300 pages of a book consisting of 500 pages. So what percentage of book has he read? Now the total book, the full book has got total of 500 pages. Amay managed to read 300 pages out of the 500 pages. Out of total 500 pages, so 300 pages is read by Aman. Okay, Amay, sorry. Now we have to find the percentage of the book that he has read. Well, let us see what the solution has for us. So let's see. Pages read by Amay is 300 pages, okay? And total pages in that particular book is 500 pages. So fraction of the book read, or the fraction of the pages read, is 300 pages out of 500 pages. That means if we write it in fractions, 300 out of 500. Now if you want to find the percentage of the pages read, that the percentage of the book, percentage of the book that he has read, then it is actually 300 by 500 into 100 by 100. Means 100%. Because when we are getting 100%, it means 100 divided by 100. So we can just mention it as 300 by 500 into 100%. Okay. Now let us cut off this 0 and this 0, this 0 and this 0. So what is left? 1 over here, नीचे 5 है and ऊपर it is 300. The 300 pages का 300. ठीक है? Now 5 ones is 5, 5 6 is 30 and this 0 is 0. So we are left with 60 into 1 by 1%. So 60 into 1 by 1% would rather mean 60%. So now that we have found out that 300 out of 500 pages represent 60% of the total book. So now our answer will be Amay has read 60% of the book. So I think now the concept is quite clear that when we need to convert into percentage, we have to multiply the fraction by 100%. 100% actually means 100 by 100. This I just wrote in order to make you understand what does 100% mean. But we need to keep the 100 which is in the denominator. Only then can this number be converted into a percentage. Okay. So that's why in the next step I represented this part as 100%. Okay, and such that after calculation we get the answer in percentage only. Okay, so question number 4 is solved for you to understand. And then we come to the last question of this particular exercise, which says Ramesh bought a land for 25,30,000 and he gave 20% advance for it. So how much money did he give and how much money he had to pay more? So he wants to buy a land. एक ज़मीन खरीदना है जिसका कीमत है, टोटल कीमत है 25,30,000. तो इसका कुछ एडवांस देना था, पहले कुछ पैसा देना था, तो वो था 20% ऑफ द टोटल अमाउंट. तो 20% ऑफ 25,30,000 आपको पहले निकालना है. ये इसका एडवांस मनी है. और फिर एडवांस मनी देने के बाद कितना पैसा रह जाता है जो उसको देना है. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड आउट द एडवांस मनी इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप. उसके बाद एडवांस मनी को हम टोटल मनी से माइनस करेंगे तो वी विल गेट कि और कितना बाकी रह गया उसको पैसा देने में. ओके. So let us start solving this sum. It is somewhat like this. So price of land is 25,30,000. Okay, and advance paid is 20% of 25,30,000. That means 20% means 20 by 100, isn't it? And of 25,30,000 can be calculated by multiplication of rupees 25,30,000. Now we've got two zeros at the top which we can cancel with the two zeros of 100. Okay, so we are left with 20 into rupees 25300. 25300. So when we multiply, what do we get? When we multiply, we have got 3 zeros. So let us put the 3 zeros at the end, and 2 3s is 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, and 1 5. So 506,000. So this is the amount which is being paid as advance. So advance paid in rupees. Now it was in This was in percent. So after calculating, we find the advance which is paid in rupees is 5,06,000. Okay. Now this money has been paid out of the total of 25,30,000. इतने में से इसने ऑलरेडी ये पे कर दिया एडवांस के तौर पे. अब कितना रह जाता है, कितना रह जाता है, वी हैव टू माइनस फ्रॉम द टोटल अमाउंट, इजंट इट? सो सेकंड स्टेप में हम क्या करते हैं, प्राइस ऑफ लैंड इज दिस मच, हाउ मच, to 25,30,000 and advance paid is 5,06,000. So money to be paid और जो देना है और जो पे करना है वो अब माइनस कर लो. You will get 0 0 0 0. 10 minus 6 is 4, and because of 10 the 3 gets converted into 2, so 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 2 and nothing is 2. So what he has to pay more? He has to pay rupees 20 lakh 24,000 more. Okay, so we are solving it in two steps. First, we are finding the percentage in terms of rupees, and after finding the advance, we are just deducting it from the total amount which has to be paid. So that gives us the amount that needs to be paid now. I think now the concept is quite clear, children. Even after this, if you have any queries, you can just get in touch with me, send me your messages so that I can clarify it. And you have no whatsoever doubt while doing this sum. Okay, so that is all regarding the percentage sums. See you again.